Good morning, Madventure fans. Well, it's not fun at the minute, it's absolutely freezing. The marina is now like an ice ring this morning, and I've just gone to turn my taps on and everything's frozen. I've just spent the last 5 minutes just trying to get it all defrosted. It was just literally dripping out the tap, and then eventually the warm water started to come through and it defrosted the pipes. But I were thinking, I just want a brew. I just need a brew to wake me up a bit, and I can't have a brew because it's frozen the tap. And then I'm like, I can't have a shower neither because the shower's frozen. So I've literally just put all my heaters on in the front cabin now, and I put a little heater in my water tank area just to try and get everything defrosted, and even my kettle as well. I just had to defrost my kettle to put some water in my kettle. This is the joys of winter. I'll try and get a picture of the marina in a bit once I've had my breakfast and everything, and show you what it actually looks like outside. But this is not the fun part of boating on a plastic boat with no insulation or lagging on your pipes, as I say. I don't know if you can hear this on the camera as well. I'm just gonna go quiet and I'm just gonna rock the boat, and you should hear the creaking of the ice on the boat, I think, if it captures it. It's absolutely solid in the ice. There's just no movement there hardly whatsoever. The rocking is just me rocking the camera. It's just slight movement. So yeah, we're proper locked in the ice. Dear me, I'm glad I'm in work today. Just to show you how cold it actually is, look at my radox. Just got ice all over it. I don't know if you can quite see that. I'm going to try and have a shower. This is going to be interesting. You should be able to see this now. I'm speaking low because everyone's still in bed. But if I zoom in there, there you go. So it's all iced over, and then I'll bring you back round here and I'll show you my boat itself. So if I straight down there, so you can gauge how thick the ice is at the minute. It'll probably thaw out as the day goes on, but that's what's happened overnight. So you can see it's actually rem cased in. So yeah, you can just see shards of ice where I've disturbed it, but going further around, it's yeah, so you can see that's the pressure, I think, of the boat when I've been rocking it. You can just see the frosted ice as it's been moved. Oh, joys there. This is boating life, this is. Look at the state of it, it's like an icebox. It's a bad inside, because once you've got the heaters going inside, it's nice, it's toasty. But it just looks worse from the outside. Just to give you an idea of how cold it actually is, check that out. -5 degrees. Come on, that's the coldest it's been for a long while in the UK. Last winter it was quite mild and we got away with it. The winter before that I moved on the boat in the February time, and it was like this then. It was an ice rink and snowing at the same time. So we've had a good winter, and now this is making up for the really good winter and summer we've just had. We're currently in it's middle of December, just coming up to Christmas now, so this is quite early on really, because I never remember for a long while it being this cold before Christmas. It's got to be well over a decade off my memory serves. So this is the Brits, -5, ka-ching. Sorry, it's got nothing on you guys in Canada, but this is good for me. Say good, not really. It's freezing. So I've just got home from work now, heating wise, carrying on from this morning. This is my heating I've got. It's one of these. It's a Chinese diesel heater. And some people may say it's mounted the wrong way, but it does the job, it's working. I've had no issues with it, touch wood, up to now. Touch wood. So that's one form of heating, and it kicks out to here. I've got one vent there, then as you come through here, so back into the main cabin, got another vent there, and then as you come to the front, I've got another vent there. I've got one of these heaters going at the minute because it's -5 apparently tonight. I've got that going, which they're expensive to run, and then I've also got one of these going, which these aren't too bad to run. The oil heaters are a bit cheaper. So we'll see how bad the winter gets. If the winter stays this cold all winter after Christmas, then I'll invest in another heater. So for now this is it, but I'm going to just take you outside as well. You want to see I can't fill up my water tanks as well. Not only did the pipes freeze on the boat, the main pipes that run along the jetty, they're frozen as well, so we're not actually getting any water out of the taps. Someone's just left it running to try and defrost it, but we'll go out there and see if it's defrosted. But I've got about that much water in my tank, so probably I'd say about 10 litres, if that. So I've got to make that last until we get the weekend's coming up, so I'm hoping during the day at the weekend it's going to be hot enough to defrost the pipe, and I'll fill my tank up at the weekend then. So I've got one more day. It's Friday tomorrow, so just one more day, keep me going. This is the joys of boating life, if you fancy it, guys. Absolutely living the dream. Not. Right, we'll go outside then and we'll see what the tap's doing now. I'll show you in a second. So yeah, this is the main tap that we've got at the minute. Watch. That's it. Maximum dribble. I think it'll take a while to fill my tank. I normally fill my tank every 3 days, but not today. And then the nearest tank is all the way down there. So the next tap, sorry, is all the way down there, and can't guarantee that'll be defrosted and bucketed back up. I'll give you a night view of the marina. Not many boats decorated really. Right, catch you in a bit, guys. Good morning, Madventure fans. It's day number 2 of the Ice Age, and I'm just about to leave the bedroom now and see what the front cabin's like. We'll see if it were as bad as yesterday and if the taps have iced up again this morning. So come on, join us. This is the fun part of boating. Have you got water in the morning or have you not? Yeah, we got water this morning. That's much better. So it means the temperature's risen this morning. Thank God for that. Well guys, let's see what the temperature is today. -6. Ignore that. -6. Ka-ching. It's getting colder. Yeah, we know it's too low. It's alright, I've still got 100 mile. And it surprised me that, because this morning I've got up and the taps have run. So I don't... To say it's a degree less than yesterday, that surprised me that this morning, that my taps did open up and start running this morning. Well, we've got some good news now. The water's defrosted, so I'm just filling up my water tank so then I can get rid of all that. It's just... I've just not had enough water to do any washing or anything. I've literally gone right down to the dry bone of it, should we say. Otherwise, I would have had to go and buy some water containers, because I don't carry water containers and transport it from the marina office. But there were options at last resort, but you don't want to be spending on something you might only use once. So yeah, and I'm also, you can hear my voice, I'm just not feeling so good this morning either. Oh, poor me, I've got man flu. It's been rife at the minute. There's been loads of people that's full of colds at the minute, and I'm sick of it. It weren't long ago that I were ill a few weeks back. Like, not again. Just this frosty weather, it's horrible. So yeah, man, I've only got like 5 more months to go. So I'm just got to enjoy Christmas. So Merry Christmas to you all. Catch you soon. Take care. Don't forget, like, subscribe and share with your mates. Take care. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget, like, subscribe and share with your mates. Catch you next time, guys. Take care.